is going on, fellow Redliners? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a super fun one. It's not going to be like a traditional vlog, it's going to be more driving centric in today's video, so I want to make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button right now. Make sure YouTube pushes this video out to my subscribers because I'm planning to do some crazy hooning driving. We got some cameras, we got some mics in there. It's gonna be a fun day for sure. The sun is shining. The weather is about 45 degrees it's March 1st right now, which means like this never happens in the Arctic, so we're gonna take advantage of it. Go for a proper hoon in the car. I am super excited. Let me know what you guys think of these types of videos. It's gonna be less of me talking, more just car driving, different angles, exhaust clips, stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get into it. I need to back the Gen out over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Basically, I need to back the Genesis out before I can get the beautiful C7 out of the garage. So let me go do that. You guys will get two cold starts. We'll get one with the Gen right now, and then the second one is going to be the Beast. One of the two will be louder than the other. Can you guys guess? Leave it in the comment section down below. Apologies about the dirty car. I'm really sorry. Arctic season, guys. Hard to kind of keep a car clean, especially when all the snow is melting. So apologies. Here we go. Cold start number 1. So that was number 1. As underwhelming as that was in comparison to what this one's going to sound like, you guys had it anyways. Let's go for a cold start on the Vet now. Here we go, guys. Cold start number 2. Comment section down below which one sounded better. I think it's a toss-up, guys, honestly. You got the V8 versus the i4. I don't know, which one sounds better? homies, I hope you guys enjoyed that part. This is one of my favorite roads in the city. This part, the part that you guys would have saw previous. Oh, we got some more Hooners hooning along this road. Good sounding Camaro there, and a lovely truck. But basically, I went around under the tunnel there. You guys would have seen that already. And if you guys recognize this area, you guys would have seen a bunch of GTR photos taken near here. I really love this part of town. Not very many people come here, and well, as I'm showing you, cars are flying down the road. But usually, typically, there's not too many people. And luckily, I had uninterrupted traffic. Man, oh man, does she sound good? She smells though. I guess I'm just breaking in a bunch of the parts. But oh, guys, if only there's smell-o-vision, trust me, it smells really bad. Got the GoPro set up in there, mic set up all the way down here. Hopefully it's giving you guys ideal sounds, but I'll give you guys a look at the front of the car. Take a look at that. God damn, son. Riding around, it's like 35 degrees right now. I bet you if people saw me with the convertible or the Targa top open, they're probably like wondering, am I out of my mind? No, I'm just enjoying the hooning. I'm just enjoying some hooning, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this kind of a video. Gonna go back, go under the tunnel again. We'll get obviously the road wrap around again, and I think we'll see what happens after that. Let's go. Boys, we're all set for the second leg of the journey. Let's fire her up. I'll show you guys, if you guys don't believe me, what the temperature's like. Here, let it load up in the thing. Look, hope you guys can see that. 40 degrees. Obviously, you guys can tell, I got the top open, tops up, and I'm just hooning out here. Very, very little grip, so I can approach those corners faster. I would normally take those corners a lot quicker than, you know, how I'm taking them right now. But obviously, I'm not trying to push my luck here. It's 40 degrees. I'm on summer tires, and well, obviously it's sunny, so the road's a little warmer than 40. But you know. I'm trying to push. Obviously, as the weather gets warmer and stuff, you guys will see me hooning this thing a lot harder. I promise you that. This is really the first time this car has really stretched its legs too, so I'm really not trying to destroy anything, and I'm just trying to break it in. The braking miles are done, but I'm just trying to, you know, be a little bit more gentle with it, not grind the tires as much. They're probably still a little slick from the snow that it saw while being in transport, the burnout that we've done, and stuff like that. Anyways, guys, I'm super excited. Before any more car, ooh, another car's coming. So we'll wait for that. I'll fire up the GoPro back there again, and part 2 is gonna commence right now. ladies and gentlemen, is how it's done. I hope you guys enjoyed all that hooning. There was tons of them. As you guys, I don't know if it comes across on video, but I did a bunch of no-lift shifts for you guys. So I hope, well, it's really for me. I love doing the no-lift shifts. You got to do it, even though you're not racing anyone in Mexico. You're still in Mexico with the boys. So even though you're by yourself, you still got to do it. Get the practice in, so that when you find the boys in Mexico, you walk them. You walk them. Let me know what you guys think. I try to mix up the the rev range. I try to do like downshifts which weren't really necessary, but I tried to like give you guys that so I can rev match it nicely. And you guys could hear the popping, the crackles, the sounds. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I thoroughly enjoyed it. First proper hoon with this beauty, this beast of a car. I have no words. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did and want to see more stuff like this with the GTR, with the Genesis, please let me know in the comment section down below. Hit that thumbs up button for me if you guys enjoyed this. Well, that's going to do it for us today. If you guys are new to the channel and just found this video, please subscribe. Feel free to, leave a comment down below saying you're new, and I'll be sure to comment. I'll be sure to reply. Thank you guys for joining me. Cheers. Take care. Bye-bye.